Hey traders, welcome to wetradewaves weekly Forex forecast. First of all, thank you for your likes and comments on our last video. In today's forecast, we will cover our YouTube list as usual, and you can see the page to the right side of the screen. I will explain you what's next for every single one of them, and also I'll show you why gold went up this month. All of you who are new to wetradewaves channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. DXY, as discussed last week, we were expecting market to correct, give us one more drop, and then start to push up. We've got a corrective structure here, one more drop, and market is pushing up now. Exactly as expected. Do we have any proof for this forecast? Sure. Look at this. Now, what's next? First thing first, we are still biased to the upside. Almost all the variations and most of the waves showing us that the DXY will be pushing up. This is in terms of bias. In terms of structure, market here is massy. Alright Alain, is this mass normal for the DXY? Look at this. This structure, guys, is a mass, and market can repeat exactly the same here. But regardless, if this will be up as a corrective structure or as an impulsive wave, the bias is toward the upside. Are we going to trade this up move? Probably not. Not before a setup. Not before a clear corrective structure that can confirm the next up wave. So I showed you our bias, the structure, if we are going to trade this one or not, and what's next for the DXY. Euro dollar, those of you guys who missed our last week's forecast, go back and watch Euro dollar because I have explained every single wave here in detail. I will leave for you a link in the description under this video. Now, last week we said, after this up wave, market will correct, one more push up, and then the fall. So we've got a small corrective structure here, one more push up, and then the fall. Guys, we have traded this drop, and we have traded this drop as well. And again, we have traded this fall. And that's exactly the power, guys, of knowledge, structures, and wetradewaves wave analysis concept. Can all of you guys see this as an uptrend? Up, correction, up, corrective structure here, and this was the last up wave within this uptrend. This uptrend, guys, have ended here. We've got a drop, correction, and market is falling. We were able to read every single move and every single wave in this structure. And I really hope a lot of you guys made money trading euro dollar. Now, what's next? Like I said, the DXY, it might make a massive move, but the bias is toward the upside. Even for euro dollar, this is a mass here. But one possibility, it might be a contracting flat here for one more drop. Also, Eurozone is still in trouble. I'm repeating this again and again, and the situation will be getting worse in terms of economy. So personally, every single sell opportunity, every single sell setup, I will take it. How far this might go, all of you are in the sell, move your stops, and manage your trades. We are expecting this one to fall minimum to 1.02. After that, we will update you. Guys, do not follow us blindly, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, do not over risk or over trade, and never ever add to a losing position. And let me explain you something here. Most traders, let's say they are buying, or they are looking to buy. If market starts to move up, some of them they will jump in here, fear of missing out. When market will start to pull back, they will freak out, and they might change the bias. This is, guys, what most of traders face. As soon as you change your bias, or you close your trade, market will move again in the direction as expected. Let's be honest here. How many times you get in, the market starts to move against you, And as soon as you close it, market will start to move in the direction as expected. Let me know in the comment section. If you think that market is against you, trust me, market don't know you. And always remember this, the market is always right. What will be the solution for this problem? Learn how to trade correctly. That's the most important factor, guys. Look at this. This is a screenshot from our private Slack community. 2 of our members have passed funded trader challenges this month, MK and Nafi. Guys, congratulations. We are proud of you. You deserve it. Let's get back to euro dollar. For this one, we are biased to the downside. Alain, what if market will shoot up from here? If that's the case, guys, we'll ignore any buy setup, we'll ignore this up move, and we will reanalyze the structure. Pound dollar, this was great. I have traded this one, and I have made money here. Personally, I like pound dollar. Last week we said market will correct, one will push up, and then the drop. So after this up wave, we've got a corrective structure, up, correction, up, and then this down move. Just to let you know, this was a running flat here in the middle. And this was an uptrend. Up, correction, up, correction, up. After that, market gave us this drop, and now we are pushing up again. This structure, guys, itself is a mess. Let's remove everything. And let me take you to 1 hour chart. This is the last wave, or the last move. We've got this up, pull back, up, correction, up. We took a sell here, 1.20. Why this level? It's a major level, and based on our analysis, some of our traders have sold here. Regardless, we've got this drop, up, correction, up. What do you think most of Elliott waivers, with full respect to most of them, they will do here? They will sell and they will put stop loss above this top. Forget about Elliott waivers. Those who would like to trade the pullbacks or try to ride the trend before this move. They wait for pullback and they go for this trade. This group of traders, guys, most of the times, they put stop loss where? Above this top, which is this one here. What market have done? We've got a drop, up, correction, up. Most of them, guys, most of retail traders. We all are retail traders anyway, but just I'm covering for you guys step by step, week by week, how every single group of retail traders lose. And hopefully you will learn something new every single week. But for me to continue doing that and provide you with this knowledge, all we want from you is a like, comment, and share. Anyway, coming back to here. After this drop, we've got a corrective structure, pullback, and this up move. Liquidity above this top, check, drop. Market makers and big banks, they have algos, and algos can see liquidity pools. Liquidity pools are retail traders' orders. It's not only stop loss, retail traders' orders. I might touch base into this one later on to not take too much time explaining about this at the moment. And if you think that you can succeed in trading just by watching free video or free course, you are already lost. Stand up and take the right action, you still have time. Now, where this market, guys, have gone? To under this low. What do we have under this low? Liquidity. Not only that, smart money concept traders, they know why market stopped here and exactly at this level. And those of you are using smart money concept, if you only use order blocks for entries, you are missing a lot. And guys, the combination of methodologies, including smart money concept that we have in our program, it's crazy. This was market makers' footprints based on retail traders' behavior, and the market dropped. After this drop, we've got a pullback. All of this is part of the structure. Now, even we are biased to the upside for DXY, pound dollar is 50-50 probability chance regarding up or down. So those of you are not in yet, wait for now. Sometimes the best trade is to not trade. For pound dollar, the structure is exactly in the middle. But in all the cases, we will ignore the buy setups. If market will be falling from here, we know how to trade it. And if market will push up to break this top once more, another sell setup will be forming. And we'll trade the next down wave. Aussie dollar, this was same as all the majors. We've got this up wave, correction, this up move, a corrective structure here, a small one, up, and then we started the pullback. What's happening here? Looks like market will drop more. After this drop, we will see the reaction. All of you took the sell, move your stops, and let the market unfold. We said last week, this week market will pull back, and this is the move. For Aussie dollar, we are still biased to the downside. Under this low, pay attention to the next price action. More details about this structure, the patterns, variations, bigger picture, along with the levels, all of this will be covered in details during our Sunday session. To get access to our Sunday and Wednesday live sessions, read the description under this video. Dollar yen, we've got a drop here. I think also a lot of our followers were selling from here as well. So we've got a drop, pullback, drop, corrective structure, one more fall, and the market started to push up. This is same as the XY. It's a mass. In all the cases, we're expecting market to push up. Even if this will be a massive structure, we're expecting dollar yen to push up. If any one of you guys took this all, we hope that you made profits. And those of you are not in, you leave it for now. The structure is in the making. It's exactly in the middle. And like I said, sometimes the best trade is not to trade. New Zealand dollar, this is a clear uptrend. Right? Up, correction here, up. This was an expanding flat, as explained last time. And those of you guys who have knowledge about wave analysis, we can at wetradewaves know when the C wave of a running or expanding flat will end. And this is very, very important. And it's very powerful. To know when the wave will end, it's a next level in wave analysis. After this up wave, we've got a pullback or a small corrective structure. Market went up. A pullback here, another up wave. What is happening here? Market is just making a massive structure. What direction we think market will go? Down. Can this go up to break this top once more? Probably, because here we have liquidity. So market might target these equal highs once more. For now, if I really need to take action, I will trade the down wave. If I get a sell setup, I'll be going for the sell setup. Guys, please do not jump in. Take actions according to your trading plan and always risk small. If our bias aligns with yours, you go for the trade. As I showed you, 2 funded trader challenges have been passed yesterday. It's your call. You continue losing or you join us and learn how to trade correctly. Pound yen, I think guys you remember this move, this structure here, drop, up wave, we've got a drop here, and the market started to pull back. I think a lot of you guys got in this buy and made money trading this up wave. Even this one. Now, in terms of structure, this is a massive move. It's slow, it is corrective, and market approaching few major levels here. What next? A drop. Either as an impulsive move to break this low or as a corrective structure. For us, we are biased to the downside for pound yen. If this will be a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. If this will be an impulsive wave, this will be going all the way down to break this low once more. In all the cases, we are biased to the downside. Biased to the downside means if we get our sell setup, we will go for the sell. If market will push up 1000 pips, 2000 pips to the upside, let it go without us. We don't care. If market will go as expected, we will ride the wave. If market will go against us, let it go without us. Either we take a break even or small loss in the worst case scenario. Let me repeat that. Small loss in the worst case scenario. If this one, guys, will be going all the way down to break this low once more, another push up will be coming. And again, to give you a hint, this might be a running or expanding flat in the bigger picture if market give us this down wave. This drop, guys, is not confirmed as yet. All depends on how the next wave will behave. More details about the levels, the structure, and the targets will be shared during our Sunday live session. US oil, we've got a change of structure here. From this level, I was expecting market to correct, one more push up. Instead, we've got a sharp drop, change of structure, pullback, another fall. Corrective structure here, one more drop. We're expecting this one to go up. But fundamentally, US oil was under pressure. Can this one still go up? Definitely it can. But the way market is moving here, we do not like it. Are we still biased to the upside? Yes, we are still biased to the upside, guys, for US oil. Again, we have to see how this wave will behave. Any sell setup from current levels, we will ignore it. Structurally speaking, this can push up all the way to break this top once more, structurally. I will not be able to explain this in details here, but just to let you know, structurally, this can still go all the way up to break this top once more. Let's see how this wave will behave and we will take action. Gold, amazing, isn't it? Even for the levels. Our premium analysis service members who attend Sunday and Wednesday live sessions, you remember, guys, or you must remember what we said here regarding November, December. After this structure, guys, you can see that in November, gold went up. The reason behind this up move, guys, is the seasonality. Most of the times, if the structure aligns with November and December, gold will be pushing up like crazy. Forget about the XY fall, this up move was due to seasonality. And you can see that gold went up in November. Our premium analysis service members who remember this forecast and about what T discussed during our Sunday sessions before this up move, please let us know in the comment section and let others know that we forecasted this up move from here, just before November starts. I'm repeating, when the structures and the waves aligns with the seasonality, the next wave usually will be crazy. Let me show you a few examples before I get back to this wave. This was November 2021, and look how the market moved after that. This sharp up wave, guys, is exactly similar to this sharp up move. Now, I'm not negating that fundamentals have big effect in the market. And that's why on every Sunday, we go through the calendar, we cover the fundamentals, before we start talking technically. So the bad thing you can ever do is to combine fundamental analysis with technical analysis. For us, technical analysis is our unique wave analysis concept, which is a combination of more than one methodology. Price action, Elliott waves, Dow theory, smart money concept, and our findings. You can call it our secret sauce. Regardless of what they are saying on CNBC, Reuters, Bloomberg, big banks reports, this up move was due to structures and seasonality. Do you want to see one more example? Look at this. This is November 2020. And look at this up wave. Market shot up. So 2020, 2021, and 2022. Do you think, guys, this amount of knowledge, experience, value, and teachings, you can get them from a free course or by watching a video? Don't waste your time and money. Take advantage of our 10% discount on our masterclass course and join us to learn how to trade correctly. Now, coming back to here. What's happening? Market is falling. After this drop, we are expecting market to correct for another fall. So for gold, we are still biased to the downside. If anyone took a sell from here, based on the levels mentioned in our last live sessions, you move your stops and let the market unfold. Those of you who are not in, wait market to give you a corrective structure, and then you look for your sell setups. For gold, we are expecting market to fall more. Dollar CAD, for this one, market dropped, gave us a pullback, another drop. Market is correcting here for another drop. But this corrective structure, guys, it might extend, which means if we get a correction here, this drop will not be impulsive. If we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. So inside this wave, we've got a small correction, one more drop, and the market started to push up. I'm repeating, if we get a corrective structure, another push up here will be coming. After this up wave, we will update you. Silver, we've got this drop, this was perfect. After that, a pullback, one more fall. Pullback, another drop is expected, and after that, wait market to correct. If we get a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. So for gold and for silver, we are expecting market to fall more. More details regarding the levels will be shared this Sunday, but regarding the bias, we are biased to the downside. Bitcoin coming back to mass. Looks like market is repeating the same story, guys, as here. This here is a mass, structurally speaking. Regarding the bias, is toward the upside. Because anyway, this is an investment. If this will turn out to be a corrective structure, one more fall will be coming. As I explained last Saturday, those of you who missed last week's forecast, I will leave a link, guys, for you in the description under this video. Go back and watch it. It was so important. If we get a corrective structure, one more fall, this will be better in terms of structure. Because the next fall, if it will stop at 12K or 10K, the next push up, it will be crazy. And a tip from the best investor of the century, Warren Buffett, he said, do not put all your eggs in one basket. So those of you who would like to invest, invest wisely. Nasdaq, a lot of you guys are asking about this one. After this up wave, we are expecting market to fall. And this drop, we are expecting it to be at least similar to this one. Minimum. If that happens, this will be perfect. After this drop, we'll update you. For now, we are biased to the downside. Now, and for the first time, and based on a lot of requests from a lot of you guys regarding a discount for our masterclass, we have decided to help you by giving you a 10% discount on our masterclass course. So those of you who are planning to take our masterclass, if you do so before 31st of December, you will get a 10% discount. Also, you will have the ability to subscribe to our private Slack community for £35 per month or £350 per year. And this is very important, guys, because this price, if you subscribe before 31st of December, it will be fixed for you for lifetime. You can only subscribe to our private Slack community after you opt into our masterclass course. Joining our private Slack community without taking the course is not an option. And also to let you know, the prices and plans will be changed after 31st of December. All our team members, IT members, consultants, web developers, seniors and moderators are working with us on the services upgradation. To not take more time explaining about this here, you can read about our masterclass on our website, masterclass page. With that note, guys, you trade with care, do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.